Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore LMS enrollment using Kajabi marketing funnels, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Kajabi account.
Navigate to the dashboard to access your marketing funnels. Select the Marketing tab from the main menu.
Click on Funnels to see your existing funnels. Choose the funnel related to your LMS enrollment. Open the funnel by clicking on its name. Locate the step where you want to restore or adjust the enrollment process. Ensure that the enrollment form or checkout page is connected correctly. If needed, edit the page by clicking on the Edit button. Review the form fields to ensure they capture all required information. Check the integration settings to make sure they align with your LMS. Next, confirm that the enrollment confirmation emails are set up properly. Navigate to the Emails tab within the funnel settings. Edit the confirmation email to contain necessary course information. Test this email by sending a preview to your email address. Return to the funnel and check for any automation linked to the enrollment step. If automations need adjustment, click on the Automations tab. Review the triggers and actions specified for each automation.
Make any necessary changes to ensure proper enrollment flow.
Consider adding a follow-up email sequence for enhanced engagement. Once adjustments are made, save all changes to your funnel.
Publish the changes to make them live for potential students.
Finally, run a test enrollment to confirm everything functions correctly. Monitor the results to ensure proper enrollment restoration.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.